Welcome to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on
How to sign up for Etsy application.
for that. Make sure you already have the application on your device. Now here you can see various options to sign up for your account. The first one is to enter your email to continue, or you can continue with your Apple ID if you are an Apple user. Likewise, for other you can continue with Google or continue with Facebook. For this video we will try to sign up with Google. So all you have to do is tap on continue with Google option. After choosing your Google option, this notification will pop up. All you have to do is tap on continue. A confirmation message will come to your mail account, so make sure to check it. After that, this page will be loaded where you need to choose enable push notifications and never miss a thing. All you have to do is tap on turn notifications if you want the notifications, or you can also tap on the option not now if you don't want notifications. And see, this is how easily you can sign up for your Etsy app. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.